Well, hello. It is I, Richard Green, once again, barbecuing with you. This time, pork cutlets on the barbecue. That steak, by the way, was amazing. Shaky or not, good meat. Tonight, pork cutlets on the barbecue. We're here at Norway Bay. What a beautiful day it's been as we look down onto the beach. I hope you get a chance to see my videos of the Norway Bay ferry and wharf. There's Rachel coming on up with her favorite strawberry hat on as we barbecue pork cutlets for dinner.